Yeah, stay there. Don't come out here. Oh, you got to swim, yeah?
Come on.
Here, I'm coming in to get you. You can swim out.
Go ahead, swim.
Keep your head up so you breathe. That's it. Now swim to me. Oh, boy, I like that. You know what that is? That's a ziggy paddle, a doggy paddle. Hey, come over here, like this. I hold this thing.
Come here, I'm swimming.
You're a good swimmer.
This swimming's nice, ain't it? Isn't that water feel good?
Yeah.
Look at the fountain. Don't go there. It's not deep water there. Well, not for you. It's not deep. For me, it is. I'll bring it to you. Swim out that way.
No.
Huh?
No.
Wait a minute. Look at me. I'm swimming too. I'm swimming out. Oops, stay back. Huh. Oh, it's over my head here. Look. Put your hand in the fountain. Look. Like this. Okay, and then we'll just leave it here, you and me. Let your Aunt Julie watch it. Swimming back? I'm swimming too, look. This way I'm swimming. Where's the mama? Where's she at? Here? Look. No, here she is, here. Look. Holler to her.
Say hi, Nana.
Swimming too, right?
You have a lot of bleach.
So you...
Look at me.
Yeah, Pop Jim, he should be in here.
Julie, you might have to